See, I had my share of ups and downs, and I had my share of clouds. No matter what I face in my life, my God has always been around. No matter if I'm up, no matter if I'm down, no matter if I'm up, no matter if I'm down, yeah, yeah. Where would I be without you, Lord? Without your sweet grace, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Without you, can't live. I said I had my share of ups and downs, and I had my share of clouds. No matter what I face in my life, my King has always been around. No matter if I'm up, no matter if I'm down, no matter if I'm right, no matter if I'm wrong, yeah, yeah. Where would I be? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, where would I be without my Lord, without His grace? Yeah. Say no matter what I face, the Lord is right there. No matter what I do, He never turn His back on His son. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. No matter what I face, I know the Lord's grace will last forever. No matter what I face, I know the Lord's grace will last forever. Forever.